Hello there, my gems. How you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? How's the grass? All right, so simple, kind of not really, I'm lying. Today we're doing a ombre hair from like black to brown to blonde. My girl said she wanted Yonce vibes, so what we're doing is giving her Yonce vibes, okay? So all right here, you see the ingredients that we are going to need: your shimmering lights, your neutralizing shampoo, 30 and 50 volume developer, and of course, your lightener. We're gonna have two separate bowls. One will you have the 30 volume developer and the other one will have the 50 volume developer. And as I'm putting it in the hair, I'm gonna alternate from 30 to 50 and 30 to 50 so that it kind of gives it a dark brown effect to a light blonde, like a light brown effect to a light blonde. That's the look we're going for. So right now I'm just gonna let you watch as I alternate from the 30 and the 50 volume developer, and I'll be back. This is the color it came out. You kind of see the ends are a bit blonder, but I was of course not satisfied. My camera died and I didn't get to record the part where I went out and bought highlight coloring to get the ends to be blonder. More blonde. So now we're gonna pluck the closure. I don't like plucking too much because it causes too much shedding. So we're gonna do minimal plucking, but my girl wants to make it look a bit more natural, so we're gonna pluck and give her a very realistic hairline. So take your time and pluck. Of course, I speed this up, so that's why I look like I'm rushing, but I'm really not. Okay. Take your time, do both sides. I go about a thumb's width behind. So I part and then I pluck. I part and then I pluck, but I don't need to do that for about as big as my thumb. That's how much plucking I do. And then I'm going to do the part. I want this to be a bit more open, not too skinny, because no one's part is that skinny. You want it to look more natural. So we're gonna part a line, and then we're gonna pluck underneath the line. We're not gonna park the actual line. We're gonna park underneath. We're gonna pluck underneath it. You get what I'm saying? Okay, you'll see. It'll work out. And be careful so you don't end up plucking a little bit too much, because your girl gonna end up bald-headed. I repeat, do not pluck the hair when it's dry. I don't think it gives you the best result, and you don't really notice the difference. So when it's wet, best time to pluck it. I already went ahead and I did my little bald cap, and I cut the rest of the stocking because the back of the hair, it doesn't really need it. I only really need it for the closure, but I cleaned her up with alcohol just to make sure that the lace glue we will be using will stick. I use my tanning thing. That's my new thing now. But I also did want to still use some makeup for just the outline where the cap where the cap was cut. So this is a wig by yours truly, you know, handmade Creole Creation wig. Go to the website, see what you like. Just so you know, these are one-time things. Like, I make the wig, it's bought, I make new ones. It's not, you're not gonna see the same wig. So these are unique, okay, unique. Whatever, they get the idea. Bow hold, I'll tell you, bow hold, net. Apply your bow hold, okay, bow hold. But thin it out. I use the back of the comb to spread it out. You want thin, even layers. And with this part, it does require a bit of patience, and I am still learning how to be patient. So yeah, make sure you wait till the glue is completely dry, like it's not white and it's clear. I may or may not have done that. I may not have waited, but it still gave me a good result. But I know I would have gotten a better result. Like, look at that, you kind of still see it, but it was still a good result because it melted perfectly. But I feel as though it would be way much better if I sat there and actually waited for the glue to finish melting. I mean, if I actually sat there and waited for the glue to actually dry clear. So just be patient with this glue process, okay? We're gonna cut off the lace and we're gonna start the melting process. Went ahead and did some curls with my flat iron. I'm a flat iron curl kind of girl. But y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all know y'all see that. I was really happy with the turnout of this hair. It looks so cute. And I'm using Nairobi foaming lotion to just lay down the flyaways and give me a more cleaner part. Have your girl looking nice and straight. And you see the glue did melt better. You don't see the white showing like that. And now just watch, enjoy. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel. And I will see you next time, gems. Bye.
I'm back. Period. Time to act the fool.
Hold on. No full acting yet. Spin. One more. Hold on. That's much to do. One more. Okay. Time to act the fool.
Wow. Look at your girl. Yes. You see me? Period. Creole Creations. Remember that? Learn that. Know that. It's Yonce vibes. But Sammy's 19th birthday. Ow.
Wait.
Wait, should I play music? Let me play music.